Hi guys, nice to see you again and thank you for watching Cooking with Italian. Today again something vegetarian. A lot of you ask vegetarian stuff and we try to do the best as possible. Today I will make pomodori ripieni, stuffed tomato with rice. It's very easy to do and delicious. We need some tomato big like that, you know, it's better even if you can find big. And we need some rice, some mint, one red onion, we need some lemon juice, 1 spoon of tomato paste, a little bit of black pepper and a little bit of cumin. Okay, I show you how working is. Easy. You need a little bit passion. Cut the tomato like that. Okay, even a little bit more. But anyway, we have to, I'm sorry guys, but I have to take this. Slowly, without try to make any hole, okay? Do this and try to help yourself with spoon. Slowly like this. And this stuff we put in the bowl. Okay, now slowly, this will come just do this. This is more complicated part. Okay, when it's nice and clean, like this. Okay, do all tomato like that. Save this because we're gonna need, and I will cut all of them, and I show you next step. This is gonna be delicious. Okay, guys, the tomato they empty. Look at that. Gonna be like that. You know, gonna be precise. Always, I won't say we are not master chef. We cook for our family, normal. Okay. Now this is all the stuff come from the tomato, and now I'm gonna show you because this is amazing. It's so easy, but amazing and very tasty. You have to in this empty one just put a little bit of salt, like that, and a little bit of sugar, just for the acidity, you know, and leave like that. Now we have to blend it. This one, I'm sorry for the noises. Okay, I want to show you when it's finished because I don't want you to hear all these noises. Okay, 1 second, we'll see you soon. Okay, you know, it's gonna be liquid. Okay, now is the moment to add the puree, tomato puree, black pepper, just a little bit, cumin powder, just a little bit like that. Okay, I will cut this red onion. I like that. You see, something like that. Cut all the red onion like small and put inside. I like all this, and I show you the next step. Okay. You see guys, like that, very little. If you like, you can blend it, but I like the little taste, the onion like that. Now, this inside. Now is the time to put some fresh mint. It's very Mediterranean. This is typical from South Italy and the Mediterranean area. We call menta. Inside. And now, last ingredient is a lemon juice. That's easy. A little bit more. Perfecto. Now, we mix everything properly. Now, here we need some salt. How much you like? Not too much, because we put some salt already in tomatoes. And some nice olive oil, extra virgin. I use one very nice from my cousin in Puglia. It's one of the best for me. And mix again. The smell is already amazing. And now the nice thing, we take a rice. I try it with any rice. Add inside any rice you like. Rice inside. Mix everything well. It's something beautiful. And guys, now this mix Gonna be at least like that, half an hour, 40 minutes, because now the rice gonna absorb all the thing, all the juice. And later we're gonna put the rice inside the tomato and in the oven. Okay? See you in half an hour. Okay? Ciao. You see guys, 40 minutes is already all the liquid is absorbed. Guys, the smell is something very nice. Now we do this. You know, inside we put some salt and sugar. There will be some liquid inside. Just do that, all of them. Now we need a tray ready for the oven, olive oil, and we're gonna fill up the tomato. And always guys, if you like, share with a friend, subscribe on channel, check our website cookwithanitalian.com. Guys, when you put the rice inside, I recommend you don't more than this, because this when cooked they gonna grow in a little bit, and I like gonna be inside, someone like gonna get outside. Up to you this, but it's just up to you. I do some full and some less to show you the difference. Okay? Very nice. Last one. Now lid on. It look amazing, huh? A little bit of olive oil on the top, something like that. And this one, guys, going in the oven, 200 degrees, around hour. But when it's cooked, I let you know precise. And with this leftover, you don't bin it. You just put in the tray and make some rice cook in the oven. Okay? I'll show you this as well. See you later. See? Oh, they delicious. This is left over the rice. Gonna be amazing. Okay, guys, job is done. The tomato, look at that. They look delicious. Huh? The rice is cooked in the oven and
they look delicious and crunchy.
And exactly 1 hour and 5 minutes in the oven, 200 degrees. And now, wow! Look, we can test it.
You put that on because the rice won't get burned.
Yeah.
No?
You can feel the mint, the lemon juice. It's very, very nice. I think it needs a little bit more salt, but they delicious. And this rice, how crunchy is delizioso, Rico. Very, very nice. Try, papà. Try. No, non brucia assai. Oh, è un capolavoro. Okay, guys, the tomato with stuff inside and rice is ready.
Yes.
And if you like,
Finger up and follow us.
always. Ciao.
Ciao.